Hello everyone. Greetings to all. This is Kanimuli. We are going to practice C programming with some problem solving techniques. We just begin with the basic one. Here the problem statement of the problem is display a list of numbers from 4 to 9. Next to each number display its square, that is the number multiplied by itself. The expected output has also given here. The output should be like 4, 16, 5, 25, 636 up to 981. Okay, let's implement this in this online compiler. So here I'm just declaring one integer variable. So obviously we are going to deal only with numbers. So I'm just declaring one integer variable which is called I. I'm just initializing this I with the value 4. Then what we have to display? We have to display a number and its square. Okay, in this printf function, I'm just giving the two format specifiers, that is %d and %d. The format specifier, it is nothing but it just describes the expected data. Format specifier, or we can say it as a format identifier. It just defines the type of data to be printed here. So I'm just giving two %d. %d represents a digit. It is for integer variable, and we are also having so many format specifier like %f, %d, %s. So many format specifiers are available in C programming. Then in this first space, I have to display the number, and in the second space, I have to display its square. So I'm just giving I into I. So let's run this code. Yes, here we got the output like 4 and 16. But the expected output is we have to execute till 9 and 81. So we have to execute this particular line for 4 to 9, 6 times, right? In programming, if we want to repeatedly execute any set of statements, we have to go with looping concepts, right? So loop is nothing but it is just used to repeatedly execute a particular line. So here I am just using for loop. I am just removing this initialization here. So for I equal to, we must begin with 4. So I am just initializing this loop variable I with 4. Then we are all very much familiar with for loop syntax, right? In the second position, we just check the condition in this loop should get executed till up to 9. Then the final part is incrementation. Okay, I'm just giving this printf statement within this for loop. Yes, we just completed this code. We just run this code. Okay, I have to include some new line character here. I'm just rerunning this program. Yes, we got the expected output here. 4, 16, 5, 25, 636 up to 981. Our second problem is slightly a modified version of our first problem. So here the statement of the problem is display a list of numbers from 9 to 4. So we have to display exactly the same output but in a reverse order. Like 981, 864, 749 up to 416. So we can easily implement this by using the decrement loop. So what we have to do is first we just initialize this looping variable with 9. Then it must be executed up to 4, and I'm just changing this less than into greater than operator. Then we have to decrease the I value. So I'm just giving I minus minus. Okay, let's see what will be the output. Yes, we got the same output but in a reverse order. That is what called decrement loop. 981, 864. Then it is up to 4 and 16. Thank you. We'll practice another program in next video.